How to change the sound of Messenger if you are Android user. If you are not, click the link at the top of this video. So, for Android to change the notification sound to whatever you want, just tap and hold on Messenger app. Now the info button. Here notifications. Now choose the type of notification you want to change the sound of. For example, chats. Now, sound. Here you can choose from your device the songs you want. Just pick one and that's it. I want to improve my videos, so if you have any tips, write them down below.